Can you hear my voice? Students, can you hear my voice?
Yes, teacher.
Teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Ah. Okay, Ricky. Second one, Dhanushree. Alvin, where's your camera? Alvin, can you hear my voice? Alvin? Yes. Okay. Next, speak. Next, Aditya, Trisha, Ayan, Pipali. Speaking somebody's parents. Alvin, mute yourself. Your mother is speaking behind you.
Yes.
Mute. Nimai. Okay. Sakshi. Yashaswini. Yes. Anvita.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay. Nimai. Nikhil. Alvin. Okay. Only 14 students entered. Okay, shall we start? Yesterday, how many questions we have finished? Tell me the last question. Please tell me the last question.
Range.
What's the last question? Anyone?
Range.
Range.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Next question. The median of the data, if you have any problem, can't hear, can't visible, please unmute yourself and tell me, okay? Don't put in the chat box. I can't see the chat box now. Okay. I will start now. The median of the data, right, I am reading the question here, 20, 30, median of the data 20, 30, 40, 40, comma 10, comma 15, comma 25, comma 35 is. We must say the median of this, median. So for finding the median, there are one condition. First condition is in the given scores, the given datas, we must write in some order. Some order means either in the ascending order or in the descending order. Okay, ascending means increasing order. Descending means yeah. So we'll start writing. Which one is the smallest number here? Smallest number is here. I'll write. No need. Don't open everyone. Don't unmute everyone. I will have all the names. Okay. Those students you have to tell me. Ricky, mute yourself. Yeah. Okay. First number is 20. I'll write in the ascending order. First number is 20. Sorry, 10. Second number is 15. If I have written anything wrong, you have to tell. Second number is 15. Third number is 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So now the median. We'll count the digits, which are how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. Odd number is there. Odd number is there means middlemost number is the median. Okay. If the given numbers are odd, then the middlemost number is the median. Which is the middlemost number here? Which is the middlemost number here, Satvik?
25.
25.
Okay.
25.
Enough. I'll call the name, okay? That students must answer. Have you completed yesterday's notes?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. At last 5 minutes, I'll check the notes. Okay, last 5 minutes. Okay. 25 is the median. 25 is the median. Okay, next question. The measure of the supplement of the angle 120 is. The measure of the supplement of angle. Before going to the question, I wanted to know what is mean by supplementary angle.
Two.
Ah, supplementary angles means which type of angles? Which is called as a supplementary angle?
180 degree.
Yes, very good. Sum of two angles must be 180 degrees. Sum of two angles must be 180 degree. Then one more is there, which is that? That is a complementary angle. It says sum of two angles must be 90 degree, isn't it? Sum of two angles must be 90 degree. So now question is for us. Question is there for us. Sum of measure the measure of supplementary angle of 120 degree is. So one sum of two angles together it is 180. Correct? One angle is given. It is 120. So how much is needed to becomes 180?
60 degree.
Minus smart.
60.
Very good. It is 60 degrees. So 180 minus 120 you have to do. That is a 60 degree is the answer. Good. Next question. The sum of measures of angle in a linear pair is. What is the angle in a linear pair? What is the angle in a linear pair? What is mean by linear
180.
pair? Very good. Who is that? So linear
All
pair
three.
means very good. Linear pair means on the straight line, two adjacent angles. On the straight line, two adjacent angle. It is called as a linear pair. Okay, it is called as a linear pair. Sum of these two always it is 180 degree. Why? Why it is? Because it is the angle on the straight line, isn't it? Straight line angle is always 180 degree. So angle on the straight line is always 180 degree. This is called a linear pair. Okay. Okay. Next question. How many? Direct question. Now Satvik, where is your camera? Ricky also. ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಂದ ತೆಗಿತೇನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ರೆ? ಎನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು? ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾಸ್. Every times I cannot say. Next time I will not say. You just think if you are not there in the class, teacher is removed you. That's all. From my class. Others I don't know. Okay, now next question. Satvik will answer for us. Okay, question is, how many vertices does a triangle have? How many vertices does a triangle have? Where is Satvik? Satvik, if you don't know the answer, you must reply me, which I don't know. Don't keep quiet yourself. Very good. 3 vertices, which are they? 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices a triangle is having. Good. Next question. Next question for Trisha. Trisha P. Next question. The measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle is. The measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle is. Trisha, do you know the answer?
Teacher.
What is
No.
each angle of equilateral triangle?
Don't know.
Each don't know. Okay, now what is mean by equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. Okay? Means if it is 4 centimeter, each side of the triangle is 4 centimeter only. This is the first one. One more, all three angles also equal. All three angles also equal means all together all angle it is 180 degrees. So we must divide by 3 because 3 angles are there. So how much comes each angle? Each angle of equilateral triangle is always 60 degree. Okay, remember this. It will come in higher classes also. Each angle of equilateral triangle is always 60 degree. Okay. Okay, next question. Next question. The symbol for congruence is. The symbol for congruence is that I will do. Not doing anything, nothing is there. Just symbol we have to say. See these two lines, upon that one S. This is a congruency symbol. Okay. This year your 8th standard. Once again this will repeat. Congruency lesson is there for us. That will repeat. Okay. Don't worry. Just this much you remember. Next question. Next question. In triangle ABC is if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, is congruent to triangle PQR, then angle A corresponds to, means now this is the triangle ABC. This is the triangle. Very good. It's P, correct. ABC PQR. When the two triangles becomes congruent, that it says each vertices means corresponding vertices and the corresponding angles are same. Okay. When it becomes a congruence, corresponding vertices and corresponding angles are same. Also, corresponding sides also equal. So now they asked, angle A is what? Angle A is equal to angle P.
P.
Angle A will not be equal to angle Q or angle E will not be equal to angle R. Corresponding angles ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ angle ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, that's all. Next question. Next question. The ratio of 3 meter to 60 centimeter is. Ratio means we must divide, isn't it? But can we divide it directly? Any one of you, can we divide it directly, Ricky? Yes, Ricky? Can we divide it directly?
No.
No. So what we have to do? We must make these units same. Is it? We must convert the same unit. So meter, 1 meter equal to how many centimeter?
100. 100.
Very good. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Yes, correct. So 3 meter becomes how much? 300 centimeter. Isn't it? 3 meter becomes that is to 60 centimeter. Now we will divide 6 ones or 6 fives. So the ratio. Ricky, mute yourself. After your answer, you must mute. Okay, remember that. Otherwise, I can hear your background sounds. 5:1 is the ratio. Okay, next question. Who is that speaking? Yara voice mute illa. Just check ಮಾಡಿ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರ್ದ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. In somebody's home, somebody is speaking. Now it's proper. Next question. The ratio of 15 days to 72 hours. Ratio of 15 days to 72 hours. Now Ashwini. She sat somewhere in the forest, I think. Isn't it, Ashwini? Are you there in the forest?
Yeah.
Network problem. Now if rains, where will you go?
Home.
Rain come. Okay. Now, one day equal to how many hours?
24.
Very good. 24. Okay. Now, okay. Unmute. ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ತೆಗಿ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15 ಡೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಅವರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 15 by into 24. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ 15 into 24? 15 4s are 60, 15 2s are 30, 36, 360 hours. Now write in the ratio 360 is to 72. So divide 360 divided by 72. Cancellation is possible. 36 tens are 36 twos are. If you are feeling difficult with the bigger number, you can do by the smaller number. Okay, 2 twos are 2 something like that, you do and go. Now 2 ones are 2 fives are. So the ratio is 5 is to 1. Ratio is 5 is to 1. Okay, next question. Next one. The cost of 4-meter cloth. The cost of 4-meter cloth. 4-meter cloth is 40 rupees. 4-meter cloth is 40 rupees. Find the cost of 9-meter cloth.
90.
Is it? Okay, check. 4 meter 40. 9 meter how much? Do the cross multiplication. 9 into 40 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 tens are. So 9 into 10 it is 90. Very good. So cost of 9-meter cloth is 90 rupees. Okay. Next question. What is 5% of 200? What is 5% of 200?
100.
Sure?
Yeah.
5%. 5 means 5%. Percentage we must write in the like this, by 100. 5 by 100 into off. Off means multiplication. Cancel here. Answer is 10. Who said that? 100. 10. Okay. Okay. Next question. If minus 4 by 7 is equal to how much? Question mark. 14. We must fill this box. So what we can do? 2 ways are possible.
Minus 8.
Possible. First one. Okay.
Minus
How
8.
to do? Okay. 7 how much are 14? 7 2s are 14. These 2 you multiply up. So answer is minus 8. Or this is a little lengthy one. Take this 14 here. minus 4 into 14 divided by 7, choose. So minus 8. See. Both ways are possible. So I think this method is easier, isn't it? Directly doing. Okay. Which is easy for you, you do that one. But this is easy, I think. Okay. Next question. Next question. Triangle PQR is constructed such that triangle PQR is constructed such that PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, QR is equal, not QR, PR is equal to 5 centimeter, RPQ 50 degree, RPQ, this is 50 degree. Identify the type of triangle is. So which type of triangle it is? Triangle having two sides are equal. Which triangle it is? Anyone, can you tell me, Sakshi?
Isosceles triangle.
Which one?
Isosceles triangle.
Okay, good. Isosceles triangle it is. See, when the two sides are equal, it is isosceles triangle. When the three sides are equal, then it is a equilateral triangle. When all three sides are different, it is called as a scalene triangle. Okay, this you know, I think. Next question. Identify the true statements. Now, which is true, you have to tell. Now, I'll read out the statements. Listen carefully and you have to say which statement is correct. Ready? Yes. First one. A triangle with the three equal sides is isosceles. A triangle with the three equal sides. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂರು sides equal ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು isosceles ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Is it true?
No.
False. No.
No.
False.
True.
Okay. ಯಾರಾದ್ರು true?
False.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕಾಯ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಇಕೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, a triangle with 110 degree is called a right angle. Triangle with 110 degree is called right angle.
False.
False. False. False.
Okay. Next, third one. Okay. A triangle with the three acute angle is acute angle.
False.
A triangle with the three acute angle is acute angle. So you are saying false. Okay, let it be. Next one. Next option we'll see. A triangle with the two equal sides. Which one? Fourth option now. A triangle with the two equal sides is equilateral. Triangle with the two equal sides is equilateral. Is it right?
False.
No.
False.
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 Then which one?
False.
Then which is the answer? Everything is false means what is the answer? Which option is correct? Third option is correct. Three angles are acute angles. Just you observe here. I'll take a equilateral triangle. 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. All three angles are acute, isn't it? 60 degrees acute angle, 60 degrees acute angle, 60 degrees acute angle. So it's correct. Third option is correct. All three angles are acute angles. Okay. Next one. Now the formula you have to tell. Perimeter of a square is. Perimeter of a square is.
2L plus 2B. 2L plus 2B.
Square.
Square. Side into side.
Perimeter of square. Wrong. Perimeter of square,
into
not
side.
area of square. Very good. 4 into side, perimeter of square. Area of square means side into side. Perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus 2B. Perimeter of rectangle. Area of rectangle, L into B. These 4 formulas you must by heart. Okay. Here you can write this one as 2 into L plus B also. 2 common out. These formulas you have to know. You must know this. Will come again and again in the higher classes also. Not only this much. There is many formulas will add for this. Okay, next question. Next question. The radius of a circle is 7 centimeter. Radius of a circle is 7 centimeter. Find its area. So what is the formula? Area of a circle. Do you know? Don't know.
154
knows, Niman?
centimeter square.
I don't want answer. I want a formula. Area of a circle, formula I want. Nimai, do you know?
No. No.
Don't know. Sakshi, can you answer? Area of circle?
No.
Don't know. Any other? Who knows? Envita?
No, teacher.
No. Shifali?
No.
Do you know? Ayan?
No, teacher. Don't know.
Very good, very good, very good. Dhanushri? Dhanushri, you are new, no, this year?
Yes.
Dhanushri, from the Kannada medium or from the English medium?
Kannada.
ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ
Mujur BM.
ಮೂರೂರು. someone else mute yourself except ಧನುಶ್ರೀ. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಧನುಶ್ರೀ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ ನಿಂಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್?
ಹೌದು.
ಧನುಶ್ರೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ? ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಲೇಟರ್ ನೀನು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಆಯ್ತಾ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹಾ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. Then what is the area of the circle? Area of a circle is pi r square. Have you seen this formula anywhere? Area of a circle. Area means in Kannada Vistirna. Area of a circle. This is not for you. This is for her. Okay. Vistirna. Area of a circle is pi r square. Pi r square. So r value is given. Radius is given. Pi value what? What is the value of pi? Value of pi is 22/7. Okay. Into r square. R is 7. R square means 7 square means 7 into 7. ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು because it is square. Right? 7 ones are 7 ones are. So you multiply the remaining thing 22 into 7. Now your answer is 154 centimeters square because the area. Aldrin, without knowing the formula, how did you get the answer? First, here getting answer is not important for us. You must know the basic things. You must know the formulas. Dear students, don't by heart the answers. Understand the problem and get the answer. Okay? Always that way should be there in maths. Then you are not going wrong any classes. ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಕಲ್ಸೋದು ಈ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಏನಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, fine. Next problem. The exponential form means power form of 1 0 0 0 0 0. You must write in the power form or in the exponential form. So I'll write 10. How many zeros are there? You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All zeros you have to count. Don't leave 1 0 because I have written 10 here. So I'm leaving 1 0. It's not there like that. Every zeros you have to count. That is the power. Okay. This is the exponential form. Very easy. Next, one more exponential form of, next question. The exponential form of 243 is 243. 243, in which number it is divisible we have to see. This will not divisible by 2. Then we have to go for the next number. It is divisible by 3. 3 how much? It is 24. 3 8s are 24. Next this 3 remains. 3 1s are 3. Once again 81 will divide by 3. Table ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Table ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ I can't help. 3 how much are 8? In 3 8 will not go. Then what will go? In 3 3 2s are 6 will go. Correct? 6 will go. 6 means in 8 how much is remaining? 2 is remaining. That 2 will come here. This becomes 21. So 3 how much is 21? 3 7s are 21. Once again it is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So count 1 2 3 4 5. So 243 power form is 3 to the power 5. 3 to the power 5. Okay. Next question. Few questions are remaining. 3 questions are remaining. Next question. If 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power how much? Can anybody? See, this is called base, this is called power, exponents. Base and exponents. Now Royston is joining. So if the bases are same, we must add the powers. If the bases are same, we must add the powers. Okay? So bases are same, 2. Add the power, how much? 3 plus 4. 2 to the power?
7.
Yes. Next question.
7.
Over. 7 over. Next question. 5 to the power 2 whole to the power 10. Anybody? Answer. Multiply the powers. That's all. When the bracket comes, multiply the powers. 5 to the power 2 tens are
20.
20.
Last question. Last question. The number of vertices
20.
of a cube. That over. Now last question. The number of vertices of a cube. How many vertices are there in cube? Do you have eraser with you? If you have eraser, you can count there itself. Otherwise, wait, I will take.
4, 8.
Just think it is. Okay, just think it is a cube. cube. Now it is not a cube, it is a cuboid, but whatever may be, same it is a cube. On the vertices, this is the one vertex, 2, 3, 4. Same down also there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? So in the cube and cuboid, both there are 8 vertices. Okay, there are 8 vertices. So 40 questions I have solved. Now on Monday you are having one exam in this. I think you have my period. On Monday you have my period. Not there? I don't know timetable. If it is not there, Tuesday. So
Not there.
then on Tuesday. Okay.
On Tuesday.
On Tuesday you are having. On Tuesday you are having in maths period this bridge course exam. Okay. So in this app only test is there, test column is there. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? ಈ ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದಿದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ, ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ?
Didn't understood, teacher.
Didn't understood. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಆಪ್ ಇದೆ. In this app there is a test column. You have seen recording, chat, assignments, notice board. Have you seen?
Yes. Yes, sir.
There is one test also in that. In that test, I will upload the question paper. When you are having an exam, suppose you are having exam at 11 o'clock means 11 o'clock ಗೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. 40 questions. I will give on 10 questions, that's all.
Teacher.
Okay, teacher.
Teacher.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah, Ricky.
Multiple choice questions are there.
Multiple choice only. Only multiple choice, 10 questions I will give. You have to click the answers within 20 minutes. Okay. Then sudden marks.
Okay,
there
teacher.
only you will get the marks also. At the same moment you will get the marks also. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. Now I will call the names. Those students please turn back your ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾಗಳನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾವನ್ನು ನಂಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರು ಕಳಿತೇನೆ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನಂಗೆ. ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾವನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. I want to see your notes. Trisha, yeah, show me your notes.
Teacher, I didn't write.
Others did. Why you did not write the notes? Reason? Yes, reason. I want reason. Fast, don't waste my time.
I
Okay,
saw
Vanilla.
late mobile.
This should not be happen once again. Okay.
Okay.
Notes you must write first. Daily you must write your daily notes. Otherwise, after writing you must send the photo to me. Okay.
Okay.
Next, Shipali, show me your notes. Shipali, show me your notes. Yes, turn the page. Put on the light ilva maneli. Okay. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೈಟ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ಯಶಸ್ವಿನಿ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಟರ್ನ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ ಯಶಸ್ವಿನಿ, ಓಕೆ. Satvik, show me your notes.
Not.
Yeah, Satvik. Where is your notes? Notes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾಕೆ? ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದು ನಂಗೆ ಈಗ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀದಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಂಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಡೈಲಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? Otherwise, I won't take you inside the classroom next class ಗೆ ನೀವು ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕುದು. Next, Ricky, okay. Vishnu, where is your notes? Vishnu, where he went out? Ayan, show me your notes. Ayan,
I didn't do teacher.
didn't write. Why?
Stomach pain. Stomach pain.
Stomach pain. Whole day.
No, night.
Night. Now write and send. Stomach pain finished, no?
No.
Anita, show me your notes. Yes, turn the page. Okay, good. Next, Vishnu, where is your notes? Computer, laptop? Can't hear. Unmuted. Then why you can't hear? ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ವಾ ನೋಟ್ಸ್? I can't hear your voice, Vishnu. Just remove your earphone. Remove the connection. Now you speak. ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇವತ್ತು ಬರೆದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಯಾಕೆ? ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನಲ್ಲ, ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? I want the notes compulsory. Next who did not show? Dhanushri. Okay, mute ಮಾಡು. Dhanushri, have you written your notes? Yes, Dhanushri, good. Now who did not show? Aditya showed. Okay, Aditya. Okay. Now who? Sakshi written, no? Yes, Nima. Okay. Alvin? Okay, Ricky, okay. Super. So some students, see, I will check the notes daily last 5 minutes. Don't cheat. Next. Oh.
Please show
What?
my notes.
Yes, Nima.
Should my notes.
Yeah, show me. Show from there. I know you written. Okay, fine. Okay, super. Nice, good. See, today also I'll send the remaining questions, okay? Write it in my notes. I'll send in the WhatsApp group only. It's easy for me to send. So write the notes and I'll check it on Tuesday. Those students didn't write Trisha, Satvik, Ayan, Vishnu. I want your notes copy, notes photo today, afternoon. Understood? Yes. Thank you, dear students. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
What?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.
After writing, you have to send it in 8th standard online group.
No, others no need to send in the group. Others you write and keep. I'll check it on Tuesday. Those who did not write now, Risha, Satvik, Ayan, Vishnu, those students must send. Okay? Others no need. Others I will check later, next class. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Tomorrow there will not be online class. Okay? Any classes will not be there tomorrow. Tomorrow holiday.
Okay, teacher.